Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the Manage Pages section of the Lernen admin panel. This feature, integrated with Larabuild, allows you to easily create and manage all the key pages on your platform from a single user-friendly interface. On the left, you have the Add New Page form, where you can quickly create new pages by entering all the necessary details. On the right, you will see a list of all the existing pages with options to edit, configure, preview, or delete them as needed. Now there is a list of pages and available sections for the flexible page management. When you click on the settings option, it opens up in the Larabuild editor. This powerful integration allows you to fully customize and design the content of each page using a simple drag and drop interface. On the left side, you have the Larabuild tools. You can choose from a wide range of elements to add to your page, adjust settings for layout and style, and access advanced options for more detailed customization. On the right, you see a live preview of your page as you make the edits. Larabuild makes it easy to build visually appealing pages with minimal effort. You can add text, images, videos, buttons, and more by simply dragging them onto the page. Each change is instantly reflected in the live preview, so you can always know how your page will look to the users. Once you are satisfied with your edits, use the View Changes button to preview your page before making it live. When ready, click Publish to apply all the changes to your platform instantly. Overall, the integration with Larabuild offers a flexible and user-friendly way to create and manage pages on your platform, ensuring they both are functional and visually engaging. Now let's move on to the next feature. Let's explore the email settings section. This area enables you to manage all the email communications sent from your platform, ensuring clear and consistent message to your users. On the left, you can create new email templates by selecting a template type and clicking Add New Templates. On the right, you'll find a list of all the existing email templates categorized by their titles, roles, and status. For each email template, you can easily enable or disable them, edit the content to fit your communication needs, or delete them if they are no longer necessary. This flexibility helps you maintain control over how your platform communicates with the different user roles, such as students, tutors, and the admin.